trigonometry in non-right angled triangles, the cosine rule. The cosine rule is another formula that applies to triangles that are not right angled. Again, we begin by labeling the triangle, and then we can state the rule, which is that the cos of angle A is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc, and you'll note that the sides B and C are the adjacent sides to angle A. We use the cosine rule when we're given three sides and we want to find an angle, or if we're given two sides and one angle and we want to find another side. Here's an example. Let's take the triangle that has three sides of 12, 18 and 20 centimeters, and we want to find the angle theta at A. The cosine rule says that the cosine of the angle A is equal to b squared plus c squared, take away a squared, and divided by 2bc. Substituting those values in our labeled triangle, we get that cos of theta is equal to 12 squared plus 18 squared, take away 20 squared, and that's divided by 2 times 12 times 18. When we simplify that, then we look up the inverse of the cosine, and we find that the angle theta is 80 degrees and 57 minutes. That's something that you can confirm. Here's another example. In this triangle, we know the angle 37 degrees, and we know two of the sides, the two adjacent sides, notice, 42 meters and 58 meters, and we're asked to find the third side. There's the cosine rule once again, and you note that B and C are the two sides that are adjacent to the angle. So when we substitute, we get cosine of 37 degrees is equal to 42 squared plus 58 squared, subtracting x squared, which is the opposite side, and then that's divided by 2 times 42 times 58, noticing again in the denominator that they're the two sides adjacent to that angle. Then, substituting and calculating, we get down to the fact that x is equal to the square root of 1237 and a bit, and that gives us approximately x equals 35.2, and that will be in meters.